All right, meanwhile, more trouble could be brewing in with regard to the support that's not coming in for Allu Arjun from political corridors. Congress MLA Bhupati Reddy is now threatening to boycott all Allu Arjun films. He's a Nizamabad rural MLA and he's asking the actor to not continue such behavior. Will not allow your films to run in Telangana, says the Congress MLA. Bhupati Reddy says, do your work properly or else go to Andhra Pradesh, the neighbor state.
మీరు వ్యాపారం చేసుకొని బతకండి అంతే. మీ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఏముందా తెలంగాణకు? 100% మేము హెచ్చరిక జారీ చేస్తా ఉన్నాము. ఇంకా మన ఇంటి ముంగట కొంతమంది వాళ్ళు జాయింట్ యాక్షన్ కమిటీ వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసినట్టు కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా ఇట్లనే ఇదే పద్ధతి మార్చుకోకుంటే తప్పదంగా కాంగ్రెస్ శ్రేణులు కూడా తెలంగాణలో మీ సినిమాలు కూడా ఆడనీయం కొడుకని చెప్తా ఉన్నాం.
All right, so that's the latest that's coming in. Bhupati Reddy, the Congress MLA, has said that Allu Arjun's films will not be allowed to run in Telangana, in the state, if this behavior continues. So we can listen in again to what the MLA has to say, specifically because that also means, apart from the Chief Minister and other Congress leaders, one more standing up to say he needs to take responsibility for his actions.
మీరు వ్యాపారం చేసుకొని బతకండి అంతే. మీ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఏముందా తెలంగాణకు? 100% మేము హెచ్చరిక జారీ చేస్తా ఉన్నాము. ఇంకా మన ఇంటి ముంగట కొంతమంది వాళ్ళు జాయింట్ యాక్షన్ కమిటీ వాళ్ళు ఏదో చేసినట్టు కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా ఇట్లనే ఇదే పద్ధతి మార్చుకోకుంటే తప్పదంగా కాంగ్రెస్ శ్రేణులు కూడా తెలంగాణలో మీ సినిమాలు కూడా ఆడనీయం కొడుకని చెప్తా ఉన్నాం.
Apurva Jayachandran joining me for the latest on that. Apurva, so apart from the Chief Minister, from Hanumanth Rao and other senior leaders of the Congress, one more MLA here now.
Well, that's right. In fact, this MLA out here, he is not only using foul and abusive language, but he also goes on and challenges, saying that what is the contribution that you have done for Telangana is what this MLA is going on, and also challenging. Not only that, he's also going on and saying that, he's using very foul and threatening language out there against Allu Arjun. He also goes on and says, how is it that he can go on and abuse the Telangana Chief Minister there, Revanth Reddy. In fact, Bhupati Reddy also goes on and makes these kind of very false, this kind of angry comments at Allu Arjun. He says that this incident had happened, Allu Arjun had failed to recognize what had happened on the ground, which is that one woman had lost her life in this incident, and that there was not a morose of sorry. The feeling of sorry that Allu Arjun had is what Bhupati Reddy is also going there and commenting. Apart from this, we're also seeing that he's using a kind of a foul language there against Allu Arjun, and he also goes on to say that if we're issuing 100% warning that if you keep continuing in the same behavior, then we won't also most likely we won't allow that your films be run here in Telangana. That's the thing that raises a lot of questions, because remember, this statement by Bhupati Reddy comes just a day after the Congress High Command here in Telangana had issued strict guidelines for its MLAs, MLCs and cadres not to comment on this, not to use any kind of abusive language, not to comment on this investigation, as the investigation is currently underway. But then now we see here the MLA there using strong words.
Apurva, keep tracking the latest on that. Allu Arjun continues to claim innocence, cooperating with the police, however police and now some of the leaders say that the superstar also need to be held accountable. But as much, remember, was it the police's responsibility as much to have arranged enough deployment, knowing that the actor was coming forth to the theatre?